There's work to be done, timelines to be met, results to be delivered. That's what drives us. Partnering with the people who do the work. Getting more out of every hour. In a world of diverse markets, it's about listening more, talking less, truly understanding what's being said, solidifying belief and peace of mind, collaborating and designing yellow iron built tough, built to last, helping our partners embrace the work ahead, day after day, month after month, year after year. It takes words backed by action, words fueled by our founder, Gary Vermeer. There has to be a better way. Not just a phrase, but a timeless mantra that lies at the heart of every machine we build. Productivity has a name: Vermeer. Equipping our customers to do more.